Hi. Okay, my Nordstrom items arrived. I'm not even sure if this is everything. I think so, because holy cow, I didn't realize I ordered that much. But anyway, I started opening this gigantic one, and I got so far as to get out this bracelet. I put it on, I thought, oh, how cute. And I thought, why don't I just pop on my camera? Sorry, I'm out of breath. Why don't I just pop on, turn my camera on and just go through the stuff real quick with you. I'm not gonna have time to do a try on or anything, but at least we'll see what I got. Some of you have been asking. So if you're interested in that, let's just see. Let's go through these boxes. So this bracelet is the Gorjana bracelet. I got two. There should be another one in there in turquoise, but I got this one in labradorite and rose gold. I think that is so pretty. It's just a simple, easy stretch bracelet. Last I saw, these were still available too in several different stones. I know I'm gonna love that one. All right, let's see what else we've got. If I aim that down a little bit, that might be better. Okay, oh, falling off my chair. All right, okay, so, yay, first off the bat, I'm excited. I was really happy to get this. My shopping day was the 10th. Yes, there were quite a few things that I was looking for that were sold out. However, that's how it goes. I'm not one of those that spends, umpteen thousands and thousands of dollars there in order to be the first part of the sale. But I'm fine with that because mostly, real quick, let's get this out of the way. I know there are a lot of people who are very upset with the sale. This year, I know several years past, there's been some people that have been very upset also in that they don't have enough of the really good, talked about, hyped up sale things for everyone. And by the time it goes down to the general public or a couple steps even before the general public for the sale, many things are sold out. To me, that's just sort of how it works. I mean, the people who spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars at Nordstrom get the first dibs, which I don't know. I think that's fair. You have to spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to fly first class on an airline. I certainly don't expect that they're just going to offer me one of those seats or one of those meals if I only pay Coach. I don't know. It just sort of seems like the way business is done. So I'm okay with it. I understand the frustration though. I mean, I get frustrated too when things aren't there, but I did find a lot of things I like. Plus, I normally try to find more basics to either restock or, have things forever. So the trendy things go faster and I'm usually not trying to get those, I guess. So I do have better luck. Anyway, let's get on this. Okay, this I'm excited about. The Thread and Supply. This top. Ooh, it's very soft. Yes, I love this already. Very excited about that. I did get a pair of, 2 pairs of the Barefoot Dream socks. Ooh, I'm looking forward to that for sure. Ooh, I think here's the turquoise bracelet from Gorjana that I got. Yes, turquoise and gold is what I got for this one. That's pretty. I love turquoise and gold together, especially in the summer. Okay. Oh, I did this in pink, yes. The Treasure and Bond crew neck pullover. I'm not a pink person, so I'm kind of surprised that I did get this in pink. However, I don't know, I think it just, oh my gosh, this is soft. Okay, yes. Is this one? I think I'm really going to love this. Super cozy, oh, perfect. And I got another one of the Moonlight night shirts in black. Love them. I did get the green, and I have also ordered the, I think it was a blue, if I'm not mistaken. So maybe that's in one of these other boxes. But I don't have much of anything in this color, so, yeah. So it is by Madewell, and it's got the little tie feature. This is cute because it was hard to tell. It looks much more of a substantial material, almost sweater-like with this ribbing in person. I really like that. I think that's cute, right? With jeans and little brown boots and stuff in the fall. I love it. Okay, I'm excited about that. I got another bra of the True & Company. I got another bra from True & Company. I also got this bra. Wow, I didn't expect it to be quite this purple. It's purple heather. It is the waffle. I like these. These are good when I'm not trying to be super duper comfy. I wouldn't have probably chosen that color if I had other options, but at the time I didn't. Okay. Oh, yes. I don't know how it's pronounced. I say Bonnie Levi? Levy? Bonnie Levy? I don't know. These, oh yeah. These earrings. These are those gold chains. It's very hard to see. I can't get closer. My box is in the way. Yeah. Those will be perfect because they will show up just enough and have a little bit of dangle, but they're not over the top. I like those. I heard some people were not happy about how delicate they are. I'm fine with that. I like delicate. And for 14 karat gold and only $100, yeah, they had to be a little bit delicate. All right, this. Okay. Nordstrom crew neck cashmere sweater. Oh, so soft. This is by Halogen. It's 100% cashmere, yes. Oh, that color, that royal blue. I love that color. Nice. Very nice. Okay, this is the Live-In Pocket Jogger by Zella. Ooh, I like that. I like this material. It's got this drawstring. It's a silky-ish type of a material, but it's substantial. And it's a soft, it's not a shiny type silky. It's a soft silky. The jogger bottom. These are cute. They're the Zella Live-In All Day. They have pockets. Zella. Very excited about those. This is from the Nordstrom men's shop. So this is the Nordstrom 100% cashmere sweater that I got from my husband in this really deep blue color. Very nice. I'll let him try that on. And then I got this. I couldn't help it. Too cute. And I'm going to harass my sister and wear it. Connie, if you're seeing this video, favorite daughter. I don't know. I couldn't help myself. So cute. Favorite daughter. Not, which is why it's funny. Okay, the Steve Madden shoes. I wanted the leopard ones originally, but they weren't available. And I thought, well, I could always use the black. And for that price, it was a really good price. So we'll have to see how these fit, but they're just the Steve Madden black loafers. Nice. Slip on. Oh yeah, they fit like a glove. Look how cute. They're cuter on, I think. Very cute. I like those. Okay, we have 2 more boxes and we don't want to be here all day, so let's keep going. All right. Oh, this is that crossover sweater. It's by One State. I love this. I love deep, dark, almost blue reds, you know, with the blue undertone. I'll have to see what this looks like. I'll definitely have to see what this looks like on and whether this is problematic or not. But in all the pictures, it looked great. So yeah, this is my color. I love this color. And it's really not easy to find a deep, dark, almost burgundy red. I think I will love that. So far it looks like I was spot on with sizes too, which I'm certainly hoping that was the case. Okay, this is husband. I accidentally ordered 2 of these in my haste to try to get the order in before everything was sold out. So I got 2. One will most likely be going back. But yes, I will be doing the the T3 single pass curl in the 1 1/4 inch. Giving this a try. We'll see how it goes. I keep trying things to get, you know, beachy waves. And then this is the last thing in that box. Oh, this looks so cozy. Chelsea 28 is what is the thing, the brand. And it's just this kind of a light oatmeal colored sweater with a little bit of a drop sleeve and this cowly, tough funnely neck thing. Oh, beautiful. With a cuff sleeve. So soft. Oh, so cuddly. Perfect for fall. So happy to have this and to give this a try. Yes. One more small box. Yeah. Okay. These are the Zella, what are they called? These are the Zella Restore Soft Pocket Leggings. They've got this kind of a pocket, just kind of perfect, like a yoga pant and a jogger had a baby, because they're, you know, more of a tighter to the body kind of a thing. Ugh. Perfect, perfect. This will be worn with lots of comfy sweaters all winter. And these are comfy jogger gray. Oh, this is a gift. I'm like extra small. I'm not an extra small, but so I don't really want to unwrap this, but it's a jogger for someone I love who's extra small, which isn't me. So those are the items that I got. Let me try on one of these earrings while I chit chat with you. I hope that you got something from the sale that you were very interested in getting. I know it didn't make a lot of people happy. I've heard of a lot of upset people, unfortunately, which is sad because it's supposed to be a fun thing. And I guess I just don't expect to get all the good stuff because I'm not in that higher level, you know, and that's just how life works. But I can understand where it can be very frustrating. But I do hope that you were able to find something that you like, or you were able to happily skip the whole thing, one or the other. But I just wanted to share what I got. Okay. Oh, those are cute. I think those are really cute, don't you? It's enough gold presents to just sort of, you know, especially if your hair's up or whatever. And for 14 karat gold, yeah. I like those. I'm happy with that. It's my first, I'm gonna butcher it again, Boney Levi purchase, so. So anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me. I appreciate it as always. Let me know what you have received. I think I still may have a few more things coming if I can recall, because then I went back and bought some more gifts. So we'll see. Anyway, thanks so much. Bye.